This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 105 of Building Kitt from Knight Rider. As ever, of course, we're going to have a flick through the magazine first, and then we'll go and see what we're going to build. Looking at Night of 1,000 Devils. I no memory of that episode at all, but feel free to pause the video and look at all the words as well as all the pictures in the story. I don't know anything about it at all. Got no memory. Lots of fire in it apparently, and obviously devils. In the build, we are starting the other side of the trunk, the boot. So we'll get to that momentarily. We're going to be fixing the rod to it. And then not actually doing anything else with it. We're fixing the rod and a little bracket that holds it in place. This one is different to the other side. So for some reason, we'll be doing that. And then next time, I think we're going to be attaching that to the car itself. Obviously, looking at the smoke screen. I do remember the smoke screen being used at least once. So there is that. Right, let's clear this all out of the way and let's get the build started. Right, nice, easy, self-contained build this time. We've got the other side to the rear of the trunk, the rod, and a bracket that needs to attach to hold it all in place. Starting off with some screws. We need to attach the hydraulic rod to the side of the interior. It should be very easy to do. It's always as easy as you think it's going to be. It's never going to be quite that easy, is it? So just one screw to go through there to hold that in place. It's the same as the other side. Oh, this one's a bit stiff. Might need to add some lubricant to that, but I think it will free itself up if I can just get it started. Let's see, get that little bit of wiggle and a little bit of pulling. Have a look. Might need to get a pair of pliers on that now. I think it'll be okay. Once I get it started, it will be fine. We'll see how it goes. There we go. Moving in and out now and freeing up. Even in normal use, that's going to be fine. It's nice that it's stiff because then the boot won't shut on its own. So that's that. Let's get the single screw through there on the narrower side. Through there, hopefully, without it moving around too much. We should be able to get that where it needs to be. That's attached in there. And tighten down. Nice and secure. Here we go. Tight enough that it's not going to wobble around. And then the bracket needs to on this. Oh no, the little little clippy piece that doesn't seem to attach to anything else inside on the back there. No idea what that's for. I thought the seatbelt was going to attach to it, but it doesn't look like it does. Yeah, it's there. We'll find out. Might be used later. You never know. Now the little bracket that is used to attach the whole thing to the car. Just need a single screw through that. There's a pin and a screw hole. Obviously getting them the right way around. That in there, just like that. And hopefully I can hold that in place while I get the screw in. Yeah, it's never going to be as easy as I think it's going to be, is it? There's always that little tricky bit. So we'll get that in there. Hopefully lined up properly. But that's going in somewhere. Oh, yeah, there we go. All on. So that is that. That's now attached, ready to be fitted to the car. Once we've done the other incidental pieces on it, like we did last time, the little white panel and stuff. So that's ready to go onto there. That's it for this week. Another issue done. Next time, say we're going to be doing more things with it. So other than that, Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.